So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the Play Store. Now once we're here, we're going to search for Turbo VPN. Click on it. And now this will come up. We're going to install this. It's free. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been installed, we're now going to open it. And then once that's been installed, we're going to click on agree and continue. And now under where it says start free trial, it's going to be saying continue with ads and limits. We're going to click on that under it. And now this will come up. It's now going to be saying tap to connect. So now you're going to tap on the caret and then click on OK. Wait for this to load. Turbo VPN is finding the fastest server. We're going to be getting another pop-up right here. In the top right, we're going to click on the X to close out of this, which will now take us to here. So now currently I'm connected to the United States Los Angeles server. So yeah, that's how you do it. And if you want to change server, you want to click on it. And you can now choose a different location from here. And if you want to disconnect the VPN, you just want to click on the X, which is in the bottom middle of the screen. And then click on disconnect.